Okay, before we get to this unboxing, for those of you that don't know who Mobile Audio Network is, the company was started by a veteran SBL competitor and an avid audiophile who has spent years in the industry having fun. He's seen a void in the industry, so he decided to start Mobile Audio Network, aka The Man. This here is a product that they make in-house. It is called the Subwoofer Bass Vent SBV for short. They come in 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes. This one here is the 8-inch version. Alright, let's take a look inside the box and see what this SBV8 is all about. While I'm cutting this box open, the man also gives back to the audio community by sponsoring other audiophiles, such as Carlos Rodriguez, aka the single 18-inch sub competition. Looks like it has some paper on top for padding. The port looks to be fully assembled too. Let's see what else is inside. Mobile Audio Network branded bracelet. A nice branded lanyard, all in green to match the box. Here is the product information sheet that comes along with the product, explaining the installation process as well as technical information. I will add a picture of it so you can pause the screen to read it more. Now let's take a closer look at this SBV8. This is the mounting side. It features pre-dimpled spots to make for easier drilling. It also has a nice wide lip for mounting. The inside port is designed so that it fits through the mounting hole. Alright, let's see how easy this thing comes apart. That didn't work. Be right back. Much better. As you can see, the mounting side port has a connector molded into it and is nice and strong. Now the thin wall PVC is pretty sturdy. They even went the extra mile to brand the PVC pipe they used. I guess I didn't learn from taking off the mounting port. The inner one is on just as tight. As you can see, the inner flare was built very similar to the mounting one. Overall, the SBV8 looks to be a well-made port that I can't wait to start using. If you're looking to purchase one, reach out to Mobile Audio Network and get yourself one.